In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do transparent text on Photoshop. So as you can see, here we are on Photoshop, and to get transparent text, this is actually quite simple. So the first thing I'm going to do in today's tutorial is I'm just going to give my page here a little bit of colour. So I'll click on the gradient tool and I'll go ahead and give it a little bit of a gradient, just so you can see the text better once I do it. And then the next thing to do is select your text. Once you select the text, what you can do now is simply go ahead, choose your font and everything like that. In today's video, I will be using Cooper Hewitt, which is the one I use on my thumbnails. So go ahead and write in your text. So I'll just put in tutorial for this example. And then what I'm going to do is I will just resize this now. So Control and T, which will bring this box up here, and you can simply click and drag to resize your text. So once you have centered your text or put it anywhere on the page that you like, the next stage will be to add a new layer. Once you add a new layer, you need to simply click on your layer and drag it underneath your text. And then from here, what you need to do is simply click on this tool here. Once you click on the rectangular marquee tool, you can then draw your rectangle around it. Once you're happy, you can let go, and then that will go ahead and select this here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to right click, I'm going to select fill, and then you need to select colour from this drop down menu, and then once you have selected your colour, you can simply click on OK. The next step here is to come back over here where your layers are, click on Control and then select your text layer. Once you select that, as you can see, this will come up here, and then you simply need to click on this little eye to hide it. Once you hide it, you can now select layer 2, which is this white bit round here, and then what you need to do once you have done that is come down, go over to the layer mask, and then you'll need to hold down Alt and then select the layer mask, and then as you can see, that makes my text now transparent. So that's how easy it is to make your text transparent on Photoshop. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.